Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can increase the Wi-Fi speed on our Android. So for that you need to open up your settings, and after that just open up your Wi-Fi over here. Just click on the Wi-Fi that you are using currently, scroll down, and in the IP settings just click on it and make it static. Then these options will appear. Then here you will find DNS1 and DNS2, and it might be different in your device. So what we will do is just we will change them and change them with the DNS that you are currently seeing, which is 8.8.8.8 4 times 8, and in the DNS second you need to change it to 2 times 8 and then 4. So what it basically do is just it is Google's public DNS, so we will change it with that. And after changing it up you need to just save it, and after saving it up you need to open up your settings again, and this time you need to scroll down and go to the additional settings, and in the additional settings you will be able to find this option of developer options. Just open it up and scroll down. In the networking section you will be able to find this option of Wi-Fi scan throttling. Just enable this option and your Wi-Fi will be working quite fine, and this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.